This is the repairability attempt video at 2041 14th Ave in Broadview, Illinois. This is the house we're going to be doing the repairability attempt video at, and State Farm has recommended the Certainteed Timberblend XT25. So we have a unopened package right here, and here is the shingles showing that it is the suggested shingle by State Farm, and the package is unopened. So now we'll get up on the roof and we will attempt this repairability video. Just so it's completely clear, we'll just be open up this shingle bundle on camera, so the shingles we're using are not in question. So we're just opening up this here, and then we will head up to the roof. So now we are starting with the repairability attempt. We have identified a shingle with hail damage that State Farm has put on their estimate. So we will attempt to repair that shingle here now. So first, just using the snake tool only to get that shingle out. And we are here on April 13th, and it is about 80 degrees out, so we have a very nice day to work with here. But as you can see, even from the start, the shingle is quite and even once he's done unsealing this, we can take a little bit of it's trying to be very careful and delicate, but yeah, you can even tell that and this is the shingle we are replacing, but already the shingle is ripping. This is, again, we're trying to lift it up as minimally as possible, just trying to unseal the shingle, as you can see here, and it is quite the process just doing that, and very, very minimally and gently, just showing underneath this shingle if we can.
The amount of mat transfers in my
quite a bit of, you can just see this is, I'm just lifting up ever so slightly, and the mat transfer is quite a bit there. So that's damage to this this shingle here in the row beneath, and yeah, like even holes to the shingle. This must have been up here. It's not repairable, but we'll continue with the attempt just to fully show the scope here. Very similar story here with the vast amount of mat transfer. Yeah, it is a lot. Okay, now in order to pull out this,
I need to go above.
Yep. So even in this process, just we're again using the snake tool only, trying as gently as we can to unseal these shingles, but they are just so brittle. See here, just trying to even lift that up. It's already
how bonded they are.
Yeah. Again, just for completeness, we're going to continue on with the repairability attempt just to show the state of the roof here. Looking beneath this one, very similar story with all the mat transfer going on there.
definitely missed one, but
yeah,
still lots of mat transfer. Same scenario.
Yep. So once that shingle's been unsealed, we'll go ahead and begin the process of removing these nails. But as you can see, the shingle just below, and I'm trying to lift up this thing as gently as possible. Quite a bit of mat transfer to the shingle below. It's causing some damage that wasn't there before this repair. Now, in order to get the nails out, we're going to have to unseal the layer above that as well. So it's going to be a very similar story. Again, trying to be as gentle as possible. But these shingles are extremely brittle. Mat transfer once again. Might be stuck to some of the extra, all that. You see how it's all been bonded together, just from the sun hitting it. And it's extremely brittle here. Even just sliding this out, you can see as gentle as we could be, and you can even just see the shingle underneath it that would also have to be removed. So that was all just in the process of attempting to not even reinstall the new shingle, but just remove the one that was damaged, and this would just continue to cause collateral, and it would be a domino effect. Now we'd have to replace this shingle, and after that, the same story would happen in the shingle beneath, and it would continue escalating that way. So this roof is non-repairable.